back to Dipansh video time. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can find the functions of a module using Python. Now, every module has its tiny own tiny functions. Now, these functions are the things that do what you want. So, in the module, there are functions. Now, we don't know all of the functions. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to find all the functions of a module using Python. So first you need to import the module that you want to find the functions. So I'm going to be importing MoviePy because I want to find the functions of MoviePy. So import MoviePy dot editor. Simple as that. Next thing, we can print what we want. So print here moviePy.editor. moviePy.editor. Now this here function right over here will allow us to find out. So this dir will allow us to find out all the functions in moviePy.editor. So if I try it out now, let's wait some time. It usually takes some time to find out the modules. So now as you can see that we have all of the functions inside moviePy.editor. So like we have clips array, we have concatenate, audio clip, video file clip, and everything. Now this does not only work for one. You can even do it for any other module. Let's try out for CV2. Print there, CV2. There we go. If I run it, you can see that it shows us all of the mod functions in CV2. So this is how you can find out the Chinese functions of a module using Python. I hope you liked it. Please like, subscribe. Till next time, the Dipansh video time is out. Bye-bye.